Hi, this is Anand. Here I have a Python IDE, which is a PyCharm, and I'm going to show you how to use a Python to execute a computer vision kind of activities. So I have two activities for you to explain here. One is a face detection, and then one is a hand recognition. So to make this face detection possible, I have used a CV2 package, which we call a computer vision package, and first, let me show you how the output looks like. I'll run the file. So the moment I run the file, it accesses the webcam from my computer and it takes the video feed and it detects the face. So hi, this is me and I'm Anand. So you can see my face wherever I just go, my face is get detected. So this is one of the activity, and let me try to give you some like a structure how I did the code. So I have a computer vision CV2 library and I use the class of that I library to get the feed from the webcam, and I try to detect the face, and to detect the face actually I don't want to write any code. I just wanted to call a method which is available in the CV2, and that's the reason why we are using the CV2 method here. And once we find out the method, I just drew a rectangle box around it. So easy, right? So this is how I did a face detection activity. And the second one is a hand gesture activity. So before moving to the output of the video, I would like to say I have combined the both computer vision and also the media pipe. The purpose of using a computer vision library here is to access my camera to get the feed, a video feed. And what does the media pipe does here? The media pipe used to detect my hand and track my hand. So I have written a code. So this is the class that I use here for uh, from media pipe package called hands. So I'm using this hands class to detect. So this is the important method here, the process from the hands method, which is used to detect and track my hand. So once I did that, I'm going to find out each and every finger. So I have a logics to do that. So this is the logic which I've written here to find each and every finger position. And then I would like to connect them all. And I also put them text like how much finger I have raised. So I'll show you an output here. So when I run this file, it takes some time to start the webcam. Okay, so my hands are detected, my both hands can be detected, and you can see here each and every points will be tracked. And not only that, it can also count. The activity is to count the number of fingers in my hand. It's a very simple activity. Thank you.